How to remove members from IMO Group. Want to remove someone from a group? This guide shows you how to remove members from an IMO group so you can manage your chats. First, open the group chat that you want to remove members from. At the top of the chat, you'll see the group's name. Tap on it to open the group settings. You'll see a list of all the members in the group. Find the member that you want to remove from the list. Tap on their name and a menu will pop up. You'll see a few options like calling or blocking them. Look for the Remove from Group option and tap on it. A confirmation message will appear asking if you want to remove the member. Tap on Yes. You should know that only the group admin or the creator has the authority to remove members. If you are not the admin, you'll not have the option to remove members. The member will be removed from the group and will no longer have access to the chat. You now know how to remove members from IMO Group. Get ready to manage your chats. Like and subscribe for more iPhone app tips.